Hello students, welcome back to you on new video on the lesson sets. In this lesson, we are going to learn intersection of two sets. So let's start. Here we have the set A having the elements 1, 3, 5, 9 and set B having the elements 2, 4, 8, 10. If you are looking these two sets, we are easily say that there is a no common elements in between these two sets. So these two sets are completely different from each other. So we say such a set as a disjoint set. We said that these two sets are disjoint set because not a single element common to both sets. Here another set A which having the element 0, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, comma 2, and next set is B which have the element 0, 2, 4, 6. If you are looking at this, what will you find that? Here find that the two elements are in common. Which one are they? They are the 0 and 2. These two elements common to both sets A and B. So how we say that these two sets are disjoint? No, these two sets are not disjoint because two elements are common. So in Venn diagram, these two sets showing by the overlapping on each other. So we show these two sets overlapping on each other. So let us see. So now we are looking that these two sets are overlapping each other and the yellow part showing that elements 0, 2 is common to both sets. This yellow part, yellow color part is called as a intersection of set A and set B. And this part is common to both sets. This is part of the set A also as well as part of the set B. So what we'll get here, get a completely new sets which have the element 0, 2. So there is a, what we'll say that the intersection of any two set is always a set. Always a set. We get a new set. So how we show this? How we show this intersection? The intersection of two set is showing by the symbol inverse U. Is the and say that A intersection B. A intersection B. So what will we get here? We get 0, 2 is the elements of set A intersection B, and these are the intersection of set A and B. Now we see the definition of intersection of two sets. We have the set A and set B, and we have A intersection B. So we get the new set A intersection B, which have the element 0, 2. So here 0 is already element of A as well as element of set B, and 2 is already element of set A and element of set B. As we know that the A intersection B, it means the intersection of any two set is a set having only the common elements of both sets. It means A intersection B having the element 0, 2 is already common of set A and set B. So we have to define the intersection of two sets. So how will define? Just look at that. Look at it. 0 is belongs to A and 0 belongs to B. It means 0 is also a set of element of set A and element of set B. 2 is also element of set A and element of set B. So by using this, how we define the intersection of set A? Let us see. The A intersection B is a set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Here the element of set A intersection B is the elements from the both sets A and B which are the common to set A and B. Now we see the properties of intersection of sets. So here we have the set A and B. Set have the elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and set B have the element 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and A intersection B have the element 6, 12. So here we have the three sets, set A, set B, and set A intersection B. So what is our first property? The first property is A intersection B is equal to the B intersection A. It means either you write A intersection B or B intersection A, both are the same thing. There is no difference between them. Both are the same. Now our second property is A intersection B is subset of A. Just before earlier slide we say that the A intersection B have the element which are the common to the both set A. So it means A intersection B is always a subset of A, as well as A intersection B is always a subset of set B. It means the intersection of any two sets is always subset of that both sets. Now let's see another properties of intersection of sets. Here we have the two sets, set A and set B, and the from Venn diagram we clearly said that the B is a subset of set A. So A intersection B is a set B itself. So our next property is if B subset of A, then A intersection B equals to B. It means if set B is a subset of A, then the intersection of both set is a set B, and vice versa we say that if A intersection B equals to B, then B is a subset of set A. Our next property, A intersection A equals to A. It means the intersection of set itself is a set itself. There is no change in the intersection of set A. Another property is A intersection with empty set equals to empty set. So why? Our third property we say that if B subset of A, then A intersection B equals to B. The same, the empty set is always subset of every set. Hence, A intersection of empty set equals to empty set. Our next properties of intersection of set, let's see. Here we have the union of set A, the set A, and we know that A is a subset of U, and also we have the complement of set A, which is the A dash, and A dash is a always subset of U. So A and A dash are both disjoint set, both have the no common element in between them. So what is the intersection of these two sets? The A intersection complement of A is always empty set because both have the no common elements, and as we say that the intersection of two disjoint set is always empty set. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Navpratibha Study Forum.